Good morning, students. Hope you all are well at your home. Today I will discuss chapter 7, networks of class 8. First topic is, what is a network? A computer network is a system in which multiple computers are connected to each other to share information and resources. Multiple means more than two. When multiple computers will connect from each other for sharing their information, data and resources, either it is wired or wirelessly. It is just because of network. So an excellent example of network is the internet. Internet stands for International Network. It is the one of the best example of network where millions of people connect with each other for sharing information, which connects millions of the people over the world. Doesn't matter how far from anyone, how far from us, but we can connect through internet. The computers on a network may be linked through cables, telephone lines, radio waves and satellites. So computer can connect in a different way. Either it is connected from cables, telephone lines, radio waves and satellites. In order to communicate, there must be a sender and a receiver. A medium is also required to establish connection amongst the sender and receiver. These three are the basic components required for any type of communication. So for sending or receiving a message, for transferring a message, we need a three components. First is sender, a device who sent the message. Second is receiver, a device who received the message. And third is transmission medium, a physical path through which message will be transmit from one place to another place. So these three components are required for the communication. Basic requirement for a network, either it is a hardware and software. We need we need devices for the establishment of network. First is the computers. At least two computers are necessary to make a network. So we need a two network for the communication. As I have discussed, first is sender and second is receiver. So we need a two network for the communication. Next one is modems. Modem stands for modulator and demodulator. It is used for data transfer, data from one computer network to another computer through telephones line. So modem are used for internet connection. So if you for the Wi-Fi, so modem are used for data transfer from one computer network to the another computer through the telephones line. Next one is hubs. When you connect multiple computers on a network, they all plug into a central device called a hub. The hub has the job of moving a network signal from one wire to another wire. So as you can see in the image, that one hub is fixed and all the computers are connected with each other through the wire. So all through hub, it is a central device and it will flow all the data. All the data are accessible by each computer. So what is the job of hub? Is moving the network signal from one wire to another wire. So the best example of where hub fixed is cyber cafe, where one printer can be connected and all the computers are connected with each other. Next is switches. Switches contain many ports to connect different network segments. They are similar to hub. So hub and switches are similar, which is used to connect a multiple computer with each other. But switches provide a greater performance as compared to hub. So nowadays, in the place of hub, people use switches because it can connect the multiple more computer as compared to hub. Next is router. A router is a communication device that is used to connect two different networks, such as two LANs. LAN stands for local area network, and WAN. It plays a vital role in controlling the traffic and keeping the network efficient. So if in a one network like LAN, we have fixed the 10 computer, and in the another LAN we have fixed the 10 computer. So it provide the connection, a communication between the to LAN, from one LAN to another LAN, and it control the traffic and keeping the network efficient. So router are used for connecting two LANs or two WAN from each other. Network cables, as for connecting any device from any other, we need a cable. So networking cables are the networking hardware used to connect one network device to another network device, or to connect two or more computers to share printer, scanner, etc. So all the network are possible. We are able to communicate with each other. It is just because of wires, or it is media. If we want to connect a printer, scanner, mouse, keyboard from the computer or monitor, then how it is possible? Just because of wire we connect one devices to another device. So different types of network cables such as coaxial cable, optical fiber cable, and twisted pair cables are used depending on the network physical layer, topology, and site. So these type of wire which is used for connecting, it's all depends on the network physical layer and topology and size of the network. Network card. A network card is a necessary components of the computer without which a computer cannot be connected over a network. So a network card we need for connection of the network. It is also called network adapter or network interface card. NIC, network interface card. So network card is also called network adapter or NIC. Most branded computers have network card pre-installed. Network card are two types of, internal or external. So network card are used to make a network from one computer to another computer. So internal network card, there's a two type of card. First is internal network card. Motherboard has a slot for an internal network card where it is to be inserted. So as you can see in the image, so for connecting we need a network card so that we can connect from one device to another devices. So internal network card, it is placed on the motherboard. Second is external network card. External network cards come in two models, wireless and USB based. Wireless network card need to be inserted into the motherboard, but no network cable is required to connect to network. So these cards are used for connecting the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. It is placed on the motherboard and through which we are able to connect Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So and second one is USB, Universal Serial Bus. So universal serial bus card are easy to use and connect via USB port. Computer automatically detect USB card and can install the drivers required to support the USB network card. So USB, universal serial bus, are used for transferring data from one computer to another computer. So if we are connecting, so just because of network card we are able to transfer our data. It will automatically detect the USB card and can install the driver. So these are a topic that we have discussed in this video. So one time just read your book and try to understand, watch the video, and any doubt you can ask in a comment section. Thank you. Have a nice day.